Today I'm checking out the GADO Pro 8-in-1 wire stripper and voltage tester. It's a compact tool designed for both professionals and DIYers. This tool combines wire stripping, cutting, and voltage testing all in one, which helps cut down on carrying multiple tools. It features a built-in voltage tester that works from 12 to 250 volts, AC and DC, with dual alarms that give both sound and visual alerts. The grip feels solid and comfortable, and it's designed to handle hot and neutral wires for a variety of projects. This makes it useful for electrical work, HVAC repairs, automotive wiring, or basic home maintenance. Overall, the GADO Pro 8-in-1 is a practical space-saving tool that's easy to keep in your toolbox. Thanks for watching.